What's going on? My name is Donny, and I'm a truck driver. Right now I'm chilling at home. I'm about to roll out maybe around 8 or 9 p.m. tonight. I got a load I got to pick up in Fort Worth, Dallas. This is where I'm currently residing. This video isn't really too much about me. It's more so gonna be about why I'm making this channel. So this is the introduction to my channel, and pretty much at this phase of my channel, I want to dedicate the first videos that I create to help somebody out there, whether you just got your CDL, you are thinking about getting your CDL, or you're within your first couple years, right? This channel currently right now is for you. Pretty much, man, you know, there's not enough videos out there that are specific in certain aspects when for a beginner trucker, right? Things like how to save money, how to invest money while in the truck, mental health, physical health, okay? And then I even want to add this last one, relationships. These 5 things I feel like are the most important to really get a grasp on in order to make this career, to make it a career, period, right? There's a lot of guys that get into this industry for the money. I can't lie, I was one of those guys when I got my CDL. I had a cousin, and he got his CDL before me, and once he started showing me pay stubs, I was like, all right, bro, I gotta do something. I need some of that, you know, because of how far I could scale my future with that type of money. So I had a goal, I had these goals in mind. I was just making slow money. So I saw trucking as a way to make fast money and reach my goals quicker. So yeah. So those 5 aspects of trucking are what I want to cover in this first beginning phase of this channel. All right. By no means am I an expert, and I'm sure along the line I'll probably run into other drivers. Hopefully, you know, they're open enough to share their victories, and maybe I can turn this into, like, you know, podcast style channel where I can interview other drivers like some of these other truckers out here are doing, and kind of like help build the community, you know. Also, I'm a young driver, man. I'm still in my 20s. So I also want to help represent the future of trucking, which, you know, there's a lot of skepticism about where the industry's headed. And I kind of want to report on that. I kind of want to catch all of us up, and then keep us updated on the latest news when it comes to the future of trucking. So I plan on going to expos. I plan on, you know, reaching out to CEOs. I want to stay tapped into the tech communities that are helping push the agenda of, you know, these self-driving trucks or electric trucks or hybrid trucks. And that's what I want to focus on with this channel, in this phase. Eventually, you know, as the channel grows, I'll end up sharing more about my personal life and the things that I went through stories and things like that are more so about just my experience. But until then, I want to do my service. I want to support all drivers, young and old, and since we're here, man, I just want to give a shout out to everybody that is in that seat, for real. Like, I want you guys to understand that your service isn't going unnoticed, and I think the biggest thank you that you're gonna get is from another driver, because we understand. You know what I mean? We get it. We understand. We know what's going on now. So stay tapped in, guys. Do the basics. Subscribe, like, comment, show some support. I got some great content planned for you guys right now, and hopefully we can make some waves out here, man, and change more lives, and really get the community and all these muggles out here to understand something about us truckers. We're a strong force to be reckoned with, and the sooner we align ourselves with our mission, then the world, and we already know this, is gonna have to follow. That's just how I see it, man. And I really believe in this statement where 18 wheels turns this world. You know what I mean? And after doing 3 years, it didn't take me that long, man. It didn't take me like 10, 20 years to like have the respect that I have for truck driving and truck drivers. I'm only 2.5 years in, and hats off to all you guys, man. So like I said, if you know somebody that's trying to be a truck driver, somebody that is a truck driver in their beginning stages, and or you're in truck driving school, go ahead, just hit the subscribe button, man, because you're gonna want to stay tapped in. I got some good knowledge for you guys that I feel like is really gonna help you guys succeed and possibly turn this truck driving job into a career. All right, peace and love, y'all. Stay tapped in, boy. Yes, sir.